What up? New day. So today, exam again. Tech draw. I'm not. It shouldn't be that bad. It just drawing really. None too complex. But yeah. Yesterday had the chemistry. Like I said, I think it went okay. I think overall the test was fair, which I feel like it's the most important thing to make the test. Making the test fair. The test is fair, and if you put in the work, it should be fine. I think looking at everyone else, it's not looking too hot, but for me personally, I think it's okay. Today is gonna be a chess day. Start off with either Smith or bench, depending how I feel. And obviously some dumbbell inclines. I've been liking those. Pec deck, and then end off with triceps and shoulders. I think my chest day, I have it down to a T. Like, if you start off with a heavy pressing movement and move on to a dumbbell variation, so let's say if you start off with like a bench, then you would then go to a dumbbell bench just to burn out, and then for squeezing movement you do some pec deck. I think that's the best chest variety that you can do. And for triceps, I always think that push downs and rope are the best. Obviously there's like other funky varieties that you can do, like over the head or skull crushers, or yeah, but I'm not a fan of those type of movements. I don't think they're very, I would say, effective. Let's say just not to my taste. Really, just not my taste. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. So right in front of me, there's a car, but there's a like sticker of Tamiya. That's goated. What else I want to talk about? Yesterday I was just yapping with my friend, and he asked a very good question. Like, which I couldn't really answer. But if he gave me examples, then I can answer. Okay, so what I mean by that, he asked me, like, what was it? What is the definition of a loser? Well, you might laugh at that, but that's a good question. It had me thinking. To me, like, that's a very good, like, thinking process. It's a good thought experiment, because it's hard for me to give a definition, but if you gave me an example, I can give it instantly. So for me, definitely that you don't do anything at all. You have to do something, and then he said, can a loser have a friend? No. Can he be like socially active? And I say yeah. just because you're socially active does not make you not a loser. You know what I mean? So you can be a loser but then still socially active. Like the social factor has no effect, well, maybe a little bit, but not totally on if you are a loser or not. This is just, I'm just yapping right now, but I couldn't really give him a clear idea. What else? Yeah, I was just pondering about that last night, just thinking about it, but nothing came of it, I would say. What else? I think that's about it. I don't really have many else ideas that I have. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.